Hello, friends, and welcome back to English Spot. I am Henry, and I am very happy you are here today. Today, we will talk about something very important, something simple but very powerful, learning English step by step, and why small efforts matter. Please relax, take a slow breath. You do not need to hurry, and you do not need to be perfect. In this podcast, I speak in simple English. I speak slowly, and I use easy words so you can listen, repeat, and learn step by step. You are safe here, you are learning, and that is enough. Many people think learning English means doing big things, studying for many hours, knowing many words, speaking fast, and sounding perfect. But this idea is wrong. Learning English is not about big effort. It is about small effort every day. Small steps, small actions, and small moments are not weak. They are strong. Very strong. Many learners feel tired and say they are too slow, or that their English is not good, or that they want to stop. But if you feel this way, please listen carefully. You are not weak. You are not stupid. And you are not bad at English. You are human. Learning a language is hard, and your brain needs time, and your heart needs patience. English is not a switch you turn on in one day. It is a path made of small steps. Think about learning to walk. You do not run on the first day. You fall, you stand. You take one step and then another, and one small step moves you forward. English works the same way, one word, one sentence, and 1 minute at a time. Many people wait for the perfect time to study and say they will learn when they have more energy or motivation. But tomorrow becomes next week and learning stops. The truth is, you do not need motivation. You need movement, even very small movement like 5 minutes or one sentence. Do not wait for energy. Start first, and energy comes later. Small effort is powerful because it is easy. And when something is easy, you do it more often. And when you do it more often, you become better, not fast, but real. Pressure kills learning, and English grows best in a calm mind. Slow learning is deep learning, and fast learning often disappears. Imagine two learners. One studies 2 hours 1 day a week and feels tired. The other studies 10 minutes every day and feels calm. After 1 month, the second learner is better because English likes frequency, not force. Your brain learns English when it feels safe and relaxed, and small efforts tell your brain this is okay and learning can happen. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teacher. And if you do not make mistakes, you are not learning. You do not need to understand everything. Understanding 50 or 60% is enough, and your brain fills the rest later. Many people say they have no time, but the real problem is how we think about time. Because English can fit into your life while walking, resting, or cooking. Remember this sentence: small effort today is big progress tomorrow. Because progress is like a seed under the ground. You water it and you do not see anything until one day it grows. Some days you feel good and some days you feel tired. On bad days, do something small, even 1 minute, because 1 minute keeps the habit alive. Learning English is not a race or a competition. It is a relationship that grows slowly with care, patience, and kindness. Be kind to yourself and say, I am learning, I am trying, and I am moving forward. Right now, you are listening, and that small effort matters because it builds familiarity, confidence, courage, and skill. You do not need to change your life or study all day. You only need to do one small thing today, and that is enough. In the next part, we will talk about how small daily habits can change your English forever. Stay with me. You are doing great. I am Henry, and this is English Spot. We are learning English step by step together. I want to give you clear advice that you can really use to learn English step by step. First, do not try to do many things at one time. Choose one small thing and do it every day. For example, listen to one short English audio or watch one short video. Do not change it every day. Repetition is your friend. Second, listen more than you read in the beginning because your ears need training before your mouth. Listen, even if you do not understand everything, your brain is learning the sound and the rhythm. Third, speak a little every day. Speak to yourself, speak in the mirror, speak while walking. Do not wait for people. Do not wait for confidence. Speaking creates confidence. Fourth, learn words in sentences, not alone. Do not just write a word and its meaning. Write a simple sentence with it and say it out loud. This helps your brain remember better. Fifth, do not stop when you feel bored. Change the activity, but keep English. For example, if reading feels boring, listen to music. If grammar feels hard, watch a story. English should move, not stop. Sixth, make English part of your daily life. Think small, change your phone language, read one English message. Search one thing in English. Small exposure every day builds comfort. Seventh, do not compare yourself with others. Some people speak fast, some people speak slow. This does not matter. Your only job is to be better than yesterday. Eighth, use a notebook. Write 1 or 2 lines every day about what you did in English. Not to be perfect, but to remember. When you look back, you will see progress. Ninth, do not study only when you feel motivated. Study when it is boring, tired, or normal. This builds discipline, and discipline beats motivation. 10th, rest when you need rest, but never quit. Resting is part of learning, but quitting breaks the chain. Even 1 minute keeps the chain alive. Finally, be patient with yourself. Language learning is slow by nature. Your brain needs time to connect sounds, words, and meaning. So trust the process and keep moving forward with small actions. If you follow simple advice like this, day by day, English will stop feeling heavy and it will start feeling natural. Stay with me. You are doing the right things. I am Henry, and this is English Spot. We are building English slowly, clearly, and step by step together. Learning English is not only about books, videos, or rules. It is also about what you believe inside your mind. Many learners stop, not because English is too hard, but because they start telling themselves the wrong story. They say, I am slow. I am bad at languages. I will never speak well. And when you repeat these thoughts every day, your brain starts to believe them. So the first thing you must change is not your English, it is your self-talk. When you sit to study, speak kindly to yourself. Say, I am learning, I am improving, and I am proud that I am trying. Confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes after action. And that means you must act even when you feel unsure. Speak even if your voice shakes. Write even if your grammar is not perfect. Listen even if you feel confused. Because every action sends a message to your brain that you are capable. Fear is normal when you learn something new. But fear is not a stop sign. It is a sign that you are growing. Do not wait to feel ready, because ready is not a feeling. Ready is a decision. Decide to try again today. Decide to open English again today. Decide to stay with the process. Progress in English is often quiet. You do not feel it happening, but one day you notice you understand a sentence without translating. You remember a word without effort. You speak without thinking too much. And these moments come because you stayed. Many learners quit right before change happens, so your job is simple. Do not quit. You do not need to be brave every day. You only need to be consistent. Consistency is stronger than talent, stronger than intelligence, Stronger than motivation, small daily effort builds trust with yourself. And when you trust yourself, learning becomes lighter. English is not judging you. It is not testing your worth. It is just a tool waiting for you to use it. Stop fighting the language and start walking with it slowly, calmly, and honestly. Every time you return to English, even after a break, you win. Every time you choose effort over excuse, you grow. This is how learners become speakers. Not in one big moment, but in many small, quiet moments that add up. Stay on the path, stay patient, and keep moving forward because the person who continues always reaches a place the person who quits never sees. Learning English can truly change the way you see yourself and the way the world opens to you. And this is why your effort today matters more than you think. When you learn English, you're not just learning words, you are building confidence, courage, and freedom. One day you will notice that you understand a video without subtitles. You read something and smile because it feels easy. You speak and people understand you. And in that moment, you will feel proud because you earned it step by step. English gives you a voice in places where you were silent before. It helps you share your ideas, your thoughts, and your story with the world. Through English, you can make friends from other countries, learn new skills, find better work, travel with confidence, and understand what is happening beyond your own city. Even if your English is simple, it is powerful. Because communication is not about perfection, it is about connection. Every minute you spend with English is an investment in your future self. A future where you feel stronger, braver, and more open to opportunities. There will be days when learning feels slow, but slow learning still builds a strong foundation, and strong foundations create lasting success. Be proud of every small step you take, because those steps are creating a new version of you, a person who does not give up, a person who keeps learning, and a person who believes in growth. English is not a barrier, it is a bridge, and you are already walking on it. Keep going, keep learning, keep trusting yourself, because one day you will look back and realize that your small daily efforts changed your life in a big way, and you will smile knowing that you never stopped. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to keep learning English in a calm and simple way, please subscribe to English Spot, the podcast. When you subscribe, you choose to learn a little every day and to grow step by step. New episodes will help you listen better, think better, and feel more confident in English. Share this podcast with a friend who is also learning, because learning together feels easier and happier. Thank you for spending your time here and for choosing yourself today. This is English Spot, the podcast that walks with you on your English journey.